Right, we're back at Reggie's house with a drunken late night recording. We've got Mr. Dave Bird back on the guitar, ladies and gentlemen. We've just written this new song tonight. It's called 7 Times Dead. One night in a dirty old town, got into a cab with a rough old man and was behind the wheel. I think he was drunk. Wanting to get home, he started talking sad, telling me about the life he led. He said, I died 7 times, but somehow I'm still here. And I knew what he meant. He said, though nothing seems to kill me, I'm still 7 times dead. I'm still 7 times dead. I was miles away, the line stuck in my head. Something about a gun to his head. Some ex-wife blues, failed suicides. And I knew what it meant. He said, nothing seems to kill me. I'm still 7 times dead. I'm still 7 times dead. Still 7 times dead. Still 7 times dead. Nothing seems to kill me. Still 7 times dead. 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 I'm still 7 times dead.